Two major contenders in life insurance, one crucial decision, which provider truly protects what matters most. On one side, the trusted, legacy-driven Guardian Life. On the other, the digital-savvy, streamlined Haven Life. Let's cut through the marketing and see what really counts. We'll score both across key categories and reveal who truly leads in life insurance. The answer might just surprise you. Here's the mind map of what we're covering: price, application process, policy options, customer satisfaction, financial strength, and of course, digital experience. Basically, all the things that can make or break your decision. Let's talk about price first. So Guardian Life, it's got level premium options, which can be nice if you want consistency, and if you're into permanent policies, sometimes you can even get dividends. But, and this is a big one, they're usually a bit pricier compared to the new digital-first companies. Then we have Haven Life. If you're about saving money, theirs is often one of the lowest term life costs you can get online. There are no agent fees and, well, fewer frills. The trade-off? Absolutely no permanent policies here. With all that, Haven Life definitely wins on price. Next, application process. Guardian Life is like classic insurance. You get guidance from actual people, and sometimes you can sit down with someone for that old-fashioned expertise. But you'll probably wait longer for everything, and yeah, there's usually a medical exam somewhere in there. On the flip side, Haven Life is 100% digital. We're talking. Apply from your couch, possibly get approved in just a few minutes, and for a lot of folks, not even a medical exam. The only thing missing, you won't find face-to-face help. Still, for pure speed and convenience, Haven Life is the winner here. Alright, policy options. Guardian Life, oh, they've got a buffet. There's term, whole, universal, variable. You can mix, match, and add riders until your brain hurts. But honestly, it does get kind of overwhelming if you're not sure what you want. Haven Life takes a different approach. It's clean, simple, pure term life with terms of 10, 15, 20, or 30 years. You can add a couple of riders, but that's pretty much it. If you want options and maximum customization, Guardian Life is the clear champ here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the oldest life insurance policies go back more than 250 years? Talk about long-term confidence. Let's jump into customer satisfaction. Guardian Life, they've been around forever and it shows. They consistently nail it on J.D. Power scores, and relative to their size, complaints are super low. The only downside: some folks say the claims process can be slow, but overall, they keep people happy. Haven Life scores pretty high on Trustpilot, and everyone raves about how easy it is to buy online. That said, it's a very digital, streamlined vibe which might feel a bit impersonal for some folks. But for long-term satisfaction and track record, Guardian comes out on top. Financial strength? Yeah, it might sound boring, but honestly, you want your insurance company to be rock solid, right? Guardian Life has a killer A++ superior rating from AM Best and has been around for more than 150 years. Plus, it's mutual, so policyholders actually own a piece of the pie. Haven Life is also backed by Mass Mutual, which is just as highly rated, but the Haven brand itself is a little newer, a little more digital first. So if you're all about stability, Guardian wins again here. Now, digital experience, this one is totally Haven Life's playground. Guardian has some online resources, but if you're the kind of person who hates picking up the phone, it might drive you kinda nuts. Most things you still need to talk or email a human for. Haven Life flips the script. You get instant quotes, your whole application can take minutes, and even claims are started online. No walk-in agents, but if you want everything at your fingertips, Haven Life's digital edge is pretty hard to beat. So if we throw all those categories up on a radar chart, you can see that Haven Life absolutely crushes it on price, digital experience, and the application process. Guardian holds the edge, no question, in policy options, customer satisfaction, and financial strength. So here's where I land. If you want that long-term security, lots of choices, or you're thinking permanent or cash value coverage, Guardian Life is honestly hard to beat. But if, or maybe when, you just need speedy, straightforward, affordable term life and love doing things online, Haven Life is going to be a no-brainer. Match your style to the right brand and you basically can't go wrong. If you found this helpful, stick around and hit subscribe for more smart insurance comparisons. Trust me, you won't regret it.